Hello, let's transcribe a word into the International Phonetic Alphabet, shall we? I had a request for the word solder. Solder. This is when you fuse metals together by melting a little bit of metal and sticking them together. Solder. Solder. If you break a piece of jewelry, the goldsmith will solder it back together. Now, there's something funny going on with this, isn't there? We're not saying that L sound. We are starting with a S. Saw, saw, ah, ah, ah. Now this is a low back vowel. Ah, ah. I'm not saying solder or solder. Saw, ah, ah. Solder, solder. D. I'm skipping that L because I'm not saying it. If we say it, we have to put it in these brackets, but I'm not saying that L. Solder. Let's do a schwa there. Solder, solder. And really, for those of you learning the IPA, that symbol there, great name, it's called a schwa. Really, that is the same as a schwa plus sound together, but we use it so often in North American English, I just usually use that. Solder, which means we do have two vowel sounds, the ah and the little schwa in which means we have to place this primary stress marker. The stress is at the beginning. I'll put it right there. Solder, solder. You're not going to see a primary stress marker anywhere near the syllable that has the schwa in it. It's too weak to carry the stress. Solder, solder. There is a jewelry-related word transcribed into the International Phonetic Alphabet. Thank you for joining me. I think I have a couple more jewelry words, and then I will go on to other requests. Thank you for joining me here on Place, Manner, Voice.